Good evening to all of you. From ISHRAE Technical Committee, I invite all of you to this part 3 of the series on water. ISHRAE Technical Committee, we have about 37 different committees trying to contribute to spread our knowledge and wisdom among the HVACR fraternity. So all these webinars are designed to inspire more like-minded people to come forward and become members and start contributing to the fraternity. Now, talking about this water treatment series, we have a technical committee on water treatment, D102, and it is chaired by Mr. Charuchandra Dewasthale. Let me introduce him. He is our key speaker for the day. Mr. Charu is a mechanical engineer with a 34-year experience. He is currently running his own venture called XMES Ventures Private Limited. He had worked in Thermax in the Water and Environment Division. He holds 2 patents already, and 3 more are under review and assessment. He is very passionate on spreading the awareness and working for sustainability among his clients. He has successfully so far saved 2.7 million liters of industrial oil from being wasted, spoiling either the earth or water bodies. He continues to share his knowledge and wisdom among all of us. He has already done the part 1 of this series that was discussing more on basic quality of water on 10th of this month. The second part, he explained about the different parameters, alkalinity, acidity of water and its impact. And today he is going to be dealing more in how water circuits affect HVAC refrigeration systems and what remedial actions we could think of. So that is the gist of what we are going to discuss today. So I will hand over to Mr. Charuchandra Dewasthale, Chair of our ISHRAE Technical Committee of Water Treatment. Over to you, Mr. Charu. And the participants, you may please keep posting your questions on the chat box. In between, Mr. Charu will be taking those questions. Thank you very much. Over to you, Mr. Charu.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. I welcome you all. And this is the third concluding series of water as a series. First series I'll talk about, but before that, I represent ISHRAE here in a technical group called as Water, D102. So I'll just explain you this about our group, and then I will go to the subject. When we decided this program, we wanted to make our ISHRAE members wise in water, because they fear water. Instead of that water, they should be friend with. Remove the fear factor about water, educate them every aspect of water, publish a book. That's our work. That's what we dream about, and find out specific solutions to the specific issues industry is facing right now, and deliver the results which are there. Trouble-free use of water in condenser evaporator circuits and adiabatic operations. Corrosion and scale-free condensers and evaporators, the compilation of various technologies we will be doing. Study of water parameters and their impact on water performance. Treatment philosophies of water and conserving water. And lastly, recycling water, because good water is not available. So recycling techniques from water being used as ETP or STP treated water. So these are the agenda we started with. And apart from them here, I have an appeal to make to everybody who's here, that we are 9 people plus HQ. Means now the strength has gone to 11. We would like to increase the strength of our group, and basically this technical group will work on water, come out with the water related issues, and we will, the way I said, that we will publish a book. So in case anybody is interested, these are the 3 numbers to WhatsApp on. We will do the needed on your request. And this is basically the volunteering job. it's a give back to the society where we are learning, working, and earning our daily bread and butter. So with this appeal, I come to the next. This thing was is in the first part we have covered water and its magical properties, chemical, physical properties of water, and how they are beneficial to the living world. Not only humans, but the creatures, every living world. In the second part, we looked at parameters of water and how those parameters are affected, and they affect our system. Likewise, we had a detailed study on parameters of water. And in this today's lecture, we will be talking about water in our HVAC network circuits. So we will start with pre-commissioning and passivation wash, evaporator and chill water circuit, evaporator and brine circuits, condenser and cooling water circuit, descaling and descaling techniques, and water saving ideas. I uh, uh, I request everybody to maybe grant me some 15 minutes extra if required, because this is a very extensive area of coverage. So might take some time. So I will extend my time rather than 1 hour plus. So shall I start? This is one of the standard water quality requirement of any OEM. Now, if you look at it very clearly, you cannot manufacture these kind of parameters into water. See, pH, chloride ions, sulfuric acid ions, they want to say sulfate ions, total hardness, calcium hardness, silica, iron, copper, sulfide, etc., etc. Means if you really see, it is really difficult to manufacture this kind of water. And primarily speaking, do you feel that the water quality you can dictate to your supplier? I don't think so. You will have to accept the water, which is whatever quality it is. You will have to accept and treat it at your end and use it into your process or into your factory. So instead of fighting for this kind of issues, let us go ahead and do something which can give us the results which are long lasting. So that's what we are going to aim at. So I will start with pre-commissioning and passivation wash. It is very, very important activity. Unfortunately, very neglected one. People don't give sufficient time for it because see, now when the system is under erection stage, the pipes which are lying into the open area, they get infested with lot of things: dirt, dust, soil, oil, grease, corrosion, everything. Then the welding takes place, so welding bulk enters inside, other construction debris enters inside, and these pipes are very, very, I would say, there is lot of contamination inside. So to remove these contaminations from the pipeline is one of the job which is taken care by this pre-commissioning wash. Now, what is passivation wash? Is to create some layer onto the metal, which will act as a protective layer. So that is passivation. So this entire activity is called as pre-commissioning passivation wash. So what is happening right now is we will talk about then benefits of PNP activities. I have shortened it into PNP activities, and implementation part, how to implement it. Now, extensive use of caustic is been seen here. Now, caustic is just a cleaner. It cannot create a passive heating layer. It's very inexpensive, good cleaner. Means give you one example on caustic is in the some 20 years ago, the soft drinks used to be in glass bottles, and we used to deposit glass bottles with the vendor, and then he used to take it back to the factories. Then they are washed, and then they will be coming back to the market again. That washing used to be done by caustic that time. But caustic is designed for general washing, but it doesn't remove corrosion extensively. It is not designed for that. Besides to that, it consumes very huge amount of water, time, and pumping cost. Now, give you one example. Take any low cost soap, like Nirma. When you take it into hand and you want to wash it, it doesn't get washed away easily. Your name, sir?
Sir, I am Atit Sharma.
Atit ji, namaste, namaste.
Yes, namaste, sir. Yeah.
Namaste, sir. Thank you very much. I'm Shailendra Vyas from Ahmedabad.
हाँ शैलेंद्र जी नमस्ते.
सर सिर्फ एक चीज ऐड करना चाहता था जो आपने अभी कूलिंग टावर का हमने बात की ना
हाँ
एल्गी फॉर्मेशन वाला जो इश्यू है.
हाँ.
I have implemented a simple measure of providing PVC fields जो हम कूलिंग टावर में अंदर जो लगाते हैं.
हाँ.
At the air inlet, if we provide this flute type PVC fields, then a direct sunlight is avoided, plus the air which goes in goes filtered. So, to major extent, this algae formation thing was sorted out with that, sir. I just wanted to mention.
Yes. Actually, sunlight is the area where it gets all energy from to thrive. So basically, it's a living organism. So sunlight is must. So it gets sunlight and it creates a lot of problems and otherwise. So you have blocked that sunlight completely. That is nice area. Nice. You have.
Thank you, but I enjoyed the session, sir. Thank you so very much for the invitation.
Yes. Thank you, Manoj. Yeah. So with this, I must thank you all. The HQ ISHRAE, particularly Aarti ma'am, Raghavan sir, and the people who are participating and making it experience, which is learning experience for everybody, enriching our discussion. It was real fun to be there with you. So a very big thank you for all your support.